Are you ready, Maya?
Yeah.
Okay. Push her, mommy.
Okay.
Give her a momentum.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna try.
Woohoo! Yay! It's a good exercise, Maya.
Maya wants to go to the tree.
Later, hey, don't go off-road, Maya. You won't be able to push the pedals. See?
Yeah.
It's hard. Back up, back up. Reverse, reverse.
How come it's not going to grass?
Because it's not an off-road car. It's an on-road car, not off-road.
Come on.
Push her, mommy.
So tired.
Are you tired now?
Yeah.
Maya is tired
It's not a
now.
real car.
It's a good exercise.
Yeah, but it's not a real car.
It's not a real car. Yeah.
I poop. I just do it without that. Barbie.
I'm going to take a picture, Maya. Okay, Maya. 1, 2, cheese. Got it, got it. More, Maya. Mommy, push her.
Okay.
Push her, mommy. Push her. Silly girl. Yeah, don't hit me. Woohoo! The wheels. Are they?
Wait, I need help.
Okay. I'm going to put down the camera.
Yeah.
Okay. To serve and protect. Number 54. Metropolis, city's finest. Nice. And the parts and accessories. Hey, Mami Rhea, your belly bump, it's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, how many months now?
6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Update, update. Very good, baby boy, oh.
Like that?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh, nice. He's spinning the wheel.
Good enough?
Marksland, the mechanic. Mommy Rhea.
You need more tools? Huh?
Hey boy, I need that wrench. Give it to mommy. Thank you, boy. Thank you. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. You wanna do it? You wanna do it yourself? Oh, here. Here.
Ooh.
There you go.
Nice,
Okay, mommy, do it.
Okay.
Put the washer. There you go. Okay. Okay, so these are the push rods. Okay. And this is the pedal rod. Mommy, put the lock nut, please. There you go. Thank you. Okay, mommy, do it, do it. Almost ready, Maya.
Yeah.
It's enough.
Not yet. Be patient. Be patient.
So excited.
You're excited? All right. Maya is excited. Marksland, baby boy. Marksland, don't eat that. It's not a food. It's not a lollipop. Okay, the steering rod. Okay, all we have to do now is to put the two wheels in the front. And we are almost done, mommy. Yeah. Wow, Marksland is playing. He's playing like crazy. Yup. A construction truck, a dump truck. He only likes the fire truck. Ah, baby boy. Okay, mommy, put that wheel, please.
Ooh, smash.
Okay, the washer. And then the nut. Okay, the chassis is complete. Mommy, stand up the car. Stand the car. Okay, there you go. Nice.
Ready.
Almost, Maya. Almost.
Powering.
Nice.
Hey, Maya girl. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Are you Catwoman? That's the windshield.
Oh no.
Okay, mommy, put it. All right. Okay, mommy, put the steering wheel. The washer first, yes. The steering wheel. Either way. And the nut. And tighten it. All right. Mommy, put the hubcap. Thank you. Nice. Okay, mommy. One more pedal left and then we are done.
Okay.
One more pedal left and it's completely assembled. All right. Woohoo! Okay. The police pedal car is completely assembled. Oh yeah. To serve and protect. Metro Police City's finest. Number 54. Okay. Back to the 50s, mommy. Back to the 50s. It's a classic pedal toy car. A classic pedal ride-on car. Nicey. Woohoo! Nice and shiny, mommy. Nice and shiny. Hi na, baby boy. Very good, Marksland. Marksland is driving the car. And Maya is pushing him. Wow, driving, baby boy Markslin. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Nice. Beep, 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 beep. Nice, baby boy. Driving. Happy baby boy. Markslin is happy. Driving, baby boy. Happy. You want Ate Maya to push you? You want your sister to push you? Baby boy Markslin. Markslin, I'm going to take a picture. 1, 2, cheese. Markslin, smile. Police! Police!
I'll just do like this. More better. It's scary.
Okay, 1 more minute and we are done. Nice one, Maya. Fast! Okay, Maya, let's go.
Yay! Now I can go to the swing. Come on, Mommy.
Where?
To the swing.
To the swing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Run.
Daddy.
Yeah, I will go with you. Enjoy, Maya. Enjoy. Bye.
Don't bounce like this, because then you want them to take it, so it always bounce closest to you.
Nice. A classic pedal car. Let's go back to the 50s. Oh yeah.